they're going to do now, they're going to attach another bucket for water. There's about 2 helicopters trying to put out these flames. I think this helicopter is from the DGT, which is a road. It's a motorization. It's from the roads. I'm pretty sure they're attaching another bucket. It's being drafted in ASAP to help with this fire, and they'll attach another bucket now, and we'll see it moving away very shortly after they attach another bucket. They did that with the first helicopter. So it seems that if you're in the air in a helicopter, it's your job for the day, guys. So keep your helicopter in the airports, else you'll have to help out here. See the other guys coming over now. It's filled up. Just filled up from the pool or the sea. Obviously the sea's so close. You can see it's just going to go over the other one now. The one in the air. One on the ground. You see 2 helicopters there. Water just released. Coming round back to the sea. Let's see how fast they get this yellow and green one off the... maybe it's from Forestal or something similar. They're working at it. These guys are amazing. They really are. All the buckets in, I'm pretty sure.